Hi everyone, welcome back to Soap of the Day, and today I'm excited to try making a truffle swirl soap. So let's get started. I'm measuring out my homegrown aloe vera gel and I'm adding the lye to it. Now it's really important if you're new to cold process soap making to read all about the process and what it involves and lye safety, alright? So next, I'm measuring out my oils. Next, I'm pouring all the oils into the lye mixture, weighing it just to make sure that everything is a-okay. Now it all goes into my big soap making container in the sink, which really helps keep everything contained. If there are any spills, anything that happens, it happens inside the sink, and therefore I feel it's much safer for everyone, and just contains the soap making. You can see that the oils have emulsified and it's reached what we call thin trace, where it's not too thick, and I'm pouring out half of it to color with cocoa powder. And the next time I really will use a lot less cocoa powder to get the ideal shade that I'm going for, because this was my first try, so it came out a little bit thicker than what I was intending. In any case, I'm pouring the cocoa soap directly into the center of the ivory colored soap, the non-colored soap, and I'm pouring everything directly into my vertical milk carton mold, and I'm very excited to see what it will look like once the soap has cured for 12 hours and is ready to be cut. Actually, I like it a lot. Each and every soap has a slightly different swirl. Some have white centers, some have brown cocoa colored centers. It reminds me of truffles, chocolate truffles, and that's why I call it my truffle soap. So if you like this video, do like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye!